Hey guys! In today's video, we're going to learn how to form sentences with the word what. Remember, you can download this lesson for free on my website at justateenager.com. Let's get started. First, you guys need to learn that there's two ways of forming this question. Either what is or what are. How do you know when to use one or the other? Well, we use what is when we're talking about one thing. But we use what are when there's more than one. So it all depends on the quantity. For example, let's talk about this pencil. What is it? It's a pencil. I'm using is because it's one pencil. It is a pencil. Is and one are used because it's one pencil. You can say it in two ways, either the normal way or the contracted way. You see this? We learned this in our last lesson. You can check it out up here. So it is a pencil, it's a pencil, it is. Now let's talk about these books. What are they? What are they? They are books. Why did I say are instead of is? Because I'm talking about two books. What are they? They are books. Or you can use the contracted form. They're books. They are books. They're books. Now don't forget to add the S at the end because we're talking about more than one book. Okay guys, now let's review. I'm going to show you something or some things and you need to say whether I need to ask what is it or what are they. Number one, this. How would I ask this question? If you said, what is it? You are correct. This is a book. It is a book. Next we have this. What would you ask? How would you ask it? If you said, what are they? Correct. Are, because I have two markers. They are markers. Markers. The S, you need to include it. And I can say they are or they're markers. Next we have this. What would you say? Yes, I would ask, what is it? What is it? It is a scrunchie. It's a scrunchie or a hair tie. And lastly, this and that. This and that. What would I ask? Correct. What are they? I have two plants. 1, 2. They are plants. They're plants. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And don't forget that you can download this lesson for free in the link down below or on my website, Just a Teenager. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!